Good morning. This is your Financial Friday moment. I want to share some valuable information with you. This book, it's called I Didn't Learn That in High School, 199 Facts About Credit Scores. I highly recommend this book if you are someone who's trying to build your credit, if you're someone who's trying to fix your credit. Definitely get this book. It's available on Amazon.com. And one reason I am definitely recommending this book is because I have a part in this book. I was contacted by the publishing company to be a part of this book, so I contributed some information. This book was published by Atlantic Publishing Company. Atlantic Publishing Group. And it was published in 2017, I believe, 2018, 2017. So just some information you can see that is discussed in this book. Some very valuable information you see here. Talks about how to build credit as well. And this is something that I get the most questions about. How do I fix my credit? So there's some information in this book about how to repair bad credit. And it gives you step-by-step instructions on how you can repair your own credit. There's also a chapter in here about credit counseling and talking about identity theft and bankruptcy and how to maintain good credit. There's a lot of scams out there. So I'm not a big proponent of those types of organizations. I like to teach people how to do things. So if you read this chapter on repairing bad credit, it will teach you how you can repair your own credit. And that way, nobody can take advantage of you. Just want to share a couple of pages in the book here. Let's see. Okay, so this is one of the pages that my information that I contributed is featured on. And on this page, I'm basically talking about the 5 C's of credit. These are the components that creditors look for when they are looking at your credit scores, when you apply for credit for different things. And this is also another page where my information is shown, where I'm talking about how to discipline yourself for credit. And on this page, you can see my information as one of the guest contributors for this book. So I'm very excited to be a part of this book. And again, you can find this on Amazon.com. And I definitely highly recommend that you get this. If you have children in high school, if you are a young adult yourself, I would definitely recommend getting this book. It doesn't matter what your age is. If you need help with credit, whether you're trying to establish credit or you're trying to fix credit, this book will help you. And again, this is your Financial Friday moment with me, Jafrida Brown, your financial literacy educator. And you can contact me on my website at provisionfinancialeducation.com if you have any questions or need any help. We have curriculum to help you. And I definitely look forward to hearing from you. Thank you. Have a great day.